Alright everybody, we are now going for a ride in our 1960 Chevy Impala with a beautiful, I'd say, red and maroon paint job. This is one of the fine looking cars Chevrolet ever made. I'd say it's very popular in the movies, but going back to ours, it has a very nice stance, sits very good, has the bigger wheels on it to give it a more retro nostalgic look. For our interior, you can see we got a nice gray, we got the bench seat here, automatic on the column. They did change the gauges for a new modern style, which is actually better because they're more accurate. Got the aftermarket retro sound style radio to listen to your tunes in the back. You could actually fit more than just 4 people like you can in today's cars. You could actually fit maybe 6 to 10 inside if you want to put them in the trunk. Of course, probably back then that's what they did to sneak them into the movie theaters. But going down the road is pretty good. You see the wheels staying pretty straight. It does have a small block 350 under the hood. Not too much crazy in power, but it's enough to grab some attention, get from point A to point B. Most of all, the car has class. That's why classics are so good, especially made by Chevy. Anyway, now we're gonna get this fine beast turned around up on the lift. Stay tuned to see the underneath.